Alright guys, you are welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if this is your first time of coming across this YouTube video, this is Zion of Logistics and we talk about mini importation, 1688, pindoudou, and how to make money at large and how you can exchange RMB. And if you want to join my group where we meet, we connect buyer to the seller and exchange RMB and all that, you can I'll drop the Facebook group link in the description button below. Do well to join the group. So today, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly hit that subscription button. So in a very quick one, you must have been finding a way to create and log into your pindoudou account. There is no other way, guys, than to follow this step-by-step guide that I'm going to be showing you today. So the first thing you want to do is to go to your Play Store, or if you are using App Store, you can go to, if you are using Android, you can go to your App Store. So what you want to do next is to come to the search icon and search for pindoudou app there. So you are going to see it here. So you can see that I've already downloaded it. This is what the page really looks like. We have two different types of pindoudou here. So what you want to do is to download this one that have 1212. So once you downloaded it, you come to your home screen to confirm that the download has already finished. You can see that this is the download, and the next thing you want to do again is to go to your Play Store or App Store to download WeChat account, because we are going to be making use of this WeChat. So once you download this WeChat account, you can see it. This is the logo. The first one up there is the WeChat. So you are going to download it and register a new account. Do you get it? So once you register a new account, you are going to open the WeChat. I already record the video on how you can open WeChat account without scanning the barcode at all. So if you want to learn how to do that, just check the description button below. You are going to see the link there. Go and watch it. It's a complete guide. You are not going to be scanning anything. You just register it directly. Do you get it? So once you are done registering the WeChat account, you are going to open your pindoudou app. So I will do that now. So this is what the dashboard really looks like. You can see that we have different tons of icons there. So once you open it, it's going to take you to this page where you will have to use your WeChat account to log in, because that's the major option right now. Although outside Nigeria there are different options you can use to log in and register your account with pindoudou, which is you using your mobile number. You can register it on the web version, but as at for Nigeria is not included in the web version own. So if you find yourself that your country is not there too, all what you want to do is to just log in with this WeChat option. So after you've already created your WeChat, you are going to be using this to log in the account. Do you get it? So you are going to connect your WeChat automatically with this pindoudou app. So what you want to do is to click on this green icon here, and it's going to take you back to your WeChat account directly. Do you get it? So it's going to connect the two accounts together. You can see right now that it's trying to request access, that I want to use Zion of Logistics to connect to pindoudou. So I'll just give it the go ahead, which is the allow. So I click on the allow button now. So it's going to take me back and create the account for me automatically. You can see by the virtue of me doing that, he has already registered and connect this pindoudou app for me. You can see that these are the different items you can find on this website. It's just a neighboring website with 1688, but they have their own varieties and they have their own different options here. So you can see right here that we have different options of this phone item. So let me just click on my profile for you to see what it looks like. You can see that you are seeing Zion Hub Logistics up there. So this is what my profile look like. Let me click on it. You can see, sorry, let me click on this my main profile. You can see that this is my main profile and this is what it actually look like. You can see it up there. So that is how to create a verified pindoudou account. So if you want to fund your if you want to fund your Alipay, you want to register your business under Smidan, or you want me to help you pay your supplier both on Pindodo and on 1688. These are things that we can easily help you to do, and we are going to charge you little. And on Vpayfast, if you are still having issue, you can do well to contact me and all that. Do you get it? I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys.